Tonight, Zilzil Tibs. Strips of beef, seared fast and served still sizzling. From the Tibs houses of Addis Ababa, the new flower at the roof of Ethiopia, where meat like this is cooked to honor whoever walks through the door. Not every Ethiopian dish is built on patience. This one is built on heat, where a wat is coaxed for hours. Tibs is quick. The cooks answer when the pan is loud and the guests are near. Zilzil means strips, long ribbons of beef cut to hold the fire and to be chewed slowly. It is the dish you make when someone matters. The sound of it arriving is half the welcome. Servings 4. 15 minutes of preparation. 10 minutes over the fire. 25 minutes from cutting board to table. 1.5 pounds of beef sirloin. 1/4 cup of oil warmed with fenugreek, ginger, and cardamom, the spices that carry the deep, buttery note of niter kibbeh. 1 red onion, 1 jalapeno, 3 cloves of garlic, 4 sprigs of rosemary, and a teaspoon of salt, saved for the very end. First, the strips. Take 1.5 pounds of sirloin and cut it long, about 1/2 inch wide, 4 inches down. Not cubes, ribbons. This is what zilzil means, and the shape is the point. Long strips catch more of the pan's crust, and they ask you to slow down, to chew, and to taste the char. Now the spiced oil. In a small bowl, stir 1/4 cup of oil together with fenugreek, ground ginger, and cardamom. In a traditional kitchen, this warmth would come from niter kibbeh, butter simmered with spice until it turns gold. Here the oil carries those same notes, nutty, floral, quietly sweet, the soul of the dish without the dairy. Then the aromatics. 1 red onion cut into thick wedges so they hold their shape and char at the edges rather than melting away. 1 jalapeno sliced lengthwise into strips, seeds left in for heat or lifted out for something gentler. 3 cloves of garlic, 4 sprigs of rosemary kept whole. Now the fire. Set a heavy cast iron pan over high heat and pour in half of the spiced oil. Wait until it shimmers, until a drop of water would dance and vanish. Lay the beef strips down in a single layer, and then do the hardest thing. Nothing. Do not move them. Let them sear, untouched, for 2 full minutes, until a deep brown crust forms and releases on its own. Then the toss. Turn the strips and add the rest of the spiced oil, the onion wedges, the jalapeno, the garlic, and the rosemary all at once. Keep the heat high. Saute for 3 minutes, no more, just until the onions soften and blacken at their edges, and the rosemary gives up its perfume. This is fast cooking. The pan should never fall quiet. And to finish, the salt. A single teaspoon, added only now at the very end, so the crust stays dry and the beef stays tender. Lift out the rosemary stems and serve it at once while it is still sizzling, still speaking. Tibs is never made to wait. History and cultural origins. Tibs is the sound of celebration in Ethiopia. Meat, sautéed hot and fast, the everyday feast. There are many kinds, cubed and dry, tender and rare, but Zilzil Tibs is the one cut into long strips. Derrick Tibs, sliced into ribbons. The version that demands a good knife, a hot pan, and a little patience from whoever is lucky enough to be eating. Its story runs back more than a century. In the late 1800s, as the Emperor Menelik drew the empire together, communities gathered around fire as much as around anything else. Cattle were slaughtered for feasts and for funerals alike, and men came together to butcher, to cook, and to eat. From those communal fires, Tibs was born, not as royal cuisine, but as working food, sliced long so it held the heat, cooked fast for crowded gatherings and the loud hot plate of a tavern. But Tibs was never only about hunger. To serve it has always been a gesture of respect. In a place where meat was rare and precious, a plate of Tibs meant you were valued, that a guest had arrived, or a day was worth marking. It is warmth made edible, and it comes to the table still alive with sound, carried in on a hot clay dish, sizzling so the whole room turns to look. At the table, it is never eaten alone. Zilzil Tibs is set upon injera, the soft, sour bread of teff, and beside it, awaze, a dark paste of berbere and garlic, for those who want more fire, or mitmita, hotter still. You tear the bread, you lift a strip, and in Addis Ababa, in the evening, a Tibs house fills with exactly this, the smell of seared beef and the sound of people who came to share it. Serve the Zilzil Tibs straight from the pan onto the injera, with awaze alongside to answer the heat. Eaten the way it always has been, torn by hand, shared from one dish while it still sizzles. Zilzil Tibs is a small kind of grandeur. No long fast to break, no holy day required. Only good beef, a hot pan, and the oldest idea in any kitchen, that the surest way to honor someone is to cook for them and to sit down together while the food is still warm and the table at last is set.